Hello, and welcome back to Davos video. Last video, we talked about short hint indicators. Today, we're going to talk about how to set up alias pages. Number 28 for our WikidPad reference. An alias allows you to set a term for a page which will allow wiki links or camel case words to take you to that desired page. In order to set an alias, you type the following: replacing the pound sign with the desired page name. Now let's create an alias for our holy crap page. First, navigate to that page. Next, type in the alias attribute. In this case, we're going to use the word fantastic, closing it off with a right bracket. The grayed out text means that WikidPad recognizes this as an attribute. Now we can navigate back to our WikidPad reference. I'm also going to set the alias for our WikidPad reference page to reference. You can see here that the word fantastic in brackets is already highlighted blue because it understands that the fantastic alias refers to the holy crap page. Additionally, you can see that when I hover my mouse over the fantastic alias, that the "this is complicated" pop-up is also being shown. If we look at our tree on the left-hand side, we can also see that the alias fantastic is now shown. Because the fantastic alias and the holy crap page both refer to the same child, and they both have the same tree position attribute, they share the number 1 spot. I'm going to add a header for alias, and here I'm going to put that the wiki reference page now has an alias which I've set to as reference. Here we can see that the word reference is automatically hyperlinked, recognizing that WikidPad reference is the target location. Now, given that the reference alias is nested in the holy crap page, we can see that both the fantastic and holy crap page links link back to our reference. This is a good example of why you should turn on the no cycling in tree option, as each of these terminates rather than forever repeating a loop. That's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions down below in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Godspeed.